This is how you can draw a ghost with a paper bag for Halloween. If you found this video useful, please give it a like and subscribe so more people can see, and I will see you next time.